Hi, hello, and welcome to the chaos. It is a Thursday morning, which is typically the end of my work week. Usually I work Monday through Thursday. I'll put in a couple hours on Friday if needed, but really loving the 4-day work week. Just signing in. Oh, I need to post that on my book account. Anyhow, I am attempting to do some work. I have a weird follow-up. I have to follow up with a weird individual. Had some red flags. I probably should have paid more attention, but I wanted to believe the best intentions, and joke's on me. So we'll follow up that. Hope it has zero legal ramifications. And let's see what else. Oh, I need to go pick up my groceries. All that fun stuff. But welcome back. I guess I should say, hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for hanging out. I'm trying to do too many things at once, per the usual. Okay, pause. Back to you. But yeah, we're gonna get some work done. I know this weekend we plan to work on the built-in again. We painted everything last weekend. It got its first coat, and now we're working on the second. I need to figure out what I'm gonna fix for dinner tonight. I think I have an idea. I'll bring you along. Okay, hi, hello. We need to do a little cleanup. I also need to clean my starter. I need to feed my starter today. Okay, it's really, that looks bad. It's not that bad. The soup, I swear, it says it was meant for like 4 people. No, it could have fed 12 easily. And unfortunately, I just can't deal with that much soup. The goat cheese, probably fine. The other's just lunch. All right, I'm gonna do this real quick, and then we're gonna head to the store. Liney, don't eat your paws. Do you wanna come with me? He hates the car, but he might wanna come with me. I'll let him come if he wants to. We'll see. Time will tell. What have I done since I saw you last? I picked up groceries, brought them home. Liney actually wasn't too bad in the car. And I did some work. Replied to some proposals. Had a little bit of lunch. Put in another load of laundry. Super exciting stuff. Oh, are you coming to help me? Now we're back from a walk. It is so warm outside. I'm gonna do some laundry. Fold some clothes. Okay, good morning, and it's a few days later. It is Sunday now. Saturday, we got stuff done on Saturday, don't get me wrong, but we also kind of took the day off, which was very much needed. The big thing that we accomplished, don't mind Snoopy. It's hard to tell the difference, but the alcove is now painted same color as the cabinets. I guess that makes it a little easier. It just kind of looks like a shadow. They're two different colors. Accessible beige. White. I put a shelf up back here, and I swear it is organized. It's just also has some other stuff on there right now. Got that taken care of. We ran some errands. We went to Lowe's for, I think, the 5th time for this project. I've started keeping count, so that'll be fun to reminisce about. It is cold this morning. I am going to head out into the garage and get some work done. We also, we put the gym, aka the garage, Apple TV back out there and got that hooked up. Out to the garage we go. Bubs, you coming? I thought so. Okay, what a lackluster weekend. This is the slowest project of all time, but we've both agreed that we'd rather do it slowly and do it properly than like rush it, mess it up, not be happy with it, especially since it's such a big investment. I have a meeting here in 30 minutes to meet with a prospective agency about doing some work together. I need to follow up on a call. How many times do I have to call? Too many. The shirt has already seen paint, so it is officially the work shirt. Should I change into my paint Schwartz? Yeah, but I just don't feel like I'm gonna be out there for very long. And it's a little cold. I might regret leaving my leggings on. That's fine. I hate that. No, we're gonna let it be. I did some painting, which you guys saw on Sunday. There's a few places where it didn't catch. It just like oil spill. Like, that's not a great way to explain it. So I'm gonna go see if I can like roll over and patch those few spots. If I can't, like if they don't dry, then I will need to do a light sanding, re-primer it, and start over. But I'd love to make some progress on this. Maybe I'll break out the space heater. It's a little cold in the garage. It's 43 degrees. I once made fun of my friend who painted when it was literally freezing outside. Between 50 and 85. It's 43. Oh, okay, so it just says use a space heater. Okay, we're gonna do that, and then I will talk to you about yesterday. I should put my hair up. I would talk to you out in the garage about this, but I just put in a load of laundry, and so you won't be able to hear me anyways. But let's go see what we can do about these, and I'll show you. Okay, so there's a little spot that needs touched up. They're much more obvious on some of these ones. Like that, you see? I feel like it's not gonna attach, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. And if it doesn't, that's fine. We will just prime. Now just after 2 p.m. We just got back from a walk. I don't think Puppy's tummy's feeling super great. I realized I need to drink some water today. Then we should head to the office and get some work done. But first, water. Okay, I am having a moment. I am feeling stressed and like irritated. Like every little thing is just... I wanted to talk about... Why am I making noise? This Aquaphor expired in July of last year. Is that going to be an issue? I took on a subcontracting role. It is with a really cool client. Once everything gets up and running, I think I will really enjoy working with them. It's 20 hours a month, so it's nothing super intense, but I could see this client wanting to expand and wanting a little bit more personalized, rigorous support. So that is really cool. It feels like we are making some momentum in the business. I'm trying to remind myself that like proving I'm right about something doesn't necessarily make it better. How do I explain this? I'm just noticing like a few hiccups. Like this is a hiccup. It's fine. I am also in a mood, so I need to chill it. And then I was also irritated about the number I was given to add to WhatsApp. Doesn't actually work. I will try something else because I am nothing if not, what? Resourceful. So there's that.